Hey everyone, it's Calvin A. Again, coming back at you guys with another Legacy Builders video, and I wanted to talk about the actual product again, Legacy Builders program. If you're looking for a work from home opportunity, right, side hustle, check out the Legacy Builders program. And where I am now is actually in my Kajabi site, which is the Legacy Builders program, training and exclusive bonuses. What you actually get with the Legacy Builders program if you sign up with me. Okay, so here I am in actually, my Kajabi site where the training is. Okay, you see my videos, you will see that the digital growth community is an entirely different community. So you can access the digital growth community here, view all my products, and there's a tech done for you service. Like, if you don't have the time, if you're a beginner and don't know how to, plug and play, hook anything up, this is where the Tech Done For You service will come in, where they would do all that for you. And the person that does that is Michelle Scherdemeyer, that will actually set everything up for you. Now, with the Legacy Builders program, it's 100% commissions. It's done for you, and the system is fully automated. Yeah, you're going to have to, again, plug and play. It also comes with the free funnel like this. Okay. Alright. And there's a video that will work for you, basically 24/7. This is Michelle O'Neill, who's the actual CEO of the Legacy Builders program. And what she does with this video is does do the explaining about the Legacy Builders program and what it's all about, what it has for you. I said before, this video will do the selling and telling for you. Okay, but you're going to have to do some of that also. But while you're asleep, this video works for you. Okay, so when somebody put in their email address, this next thing, this video will come up. Okay, so just to get that out of the way. So once you sign up, you get bonuses, exclusive bonuses right here. Okay. Alright, you get 200 digital product ideas, 30-day market strategy growth plan, all mindset message marketing to your first million training, your invisible empire faceless marketing training, all right here. Canva crash course training, all right here. Okay, what Michelle O'Neill does is basically give us her blueprint on how she's made 7 figures online. Okay, there is, like I said, it's 100% commissions, same day pay. So if you earn a commission today, you will receive that payment today. Okay. Also, this is what's great about this system. Alright. You do not have to worry about, this is Michelle Scherdemeyer here, who is the tech genius behind the Legacy Builders program. Okay. Alright, so that's a little bit of my what else I was about to say. But yeah, this is the actual training site. Alright, what you go into. Okay, it's my Kajabi. Digital Growth Community.mykajabi.com/library. Again, you can access the community right here also. Okay, now back to what I was saying. Yes, it's 100% commissions. System's done for you. system's automated. You do have to plug and play. Just set some things up like your funnel and your email sequences, stuff of that nature. So your customers will get your automated emails. Okay, so just to let you guys know, and on a few things, like I did say, same day pay, you get paid daily. Okay, there's live coaching, webinars within the Digital Growth community. All right, there's calendars there, there's actual Zooms with the live coaching. You get the mentoring, on a weekly basis or whatever the case is. If you can't make it or anything like that, you're unable to watch the webinar, there are recordings of those videos also. That's what's awesome about this training. What's awesome about Michelle too, she wants everyone to succeed. Right? And that's what she's there to help for. If you guys haven't seen my previous videos, make sure you watch those videos to see what I'm talking about. Unfortunately, the volume is not on a couple of them. I do apologize about that, but I made another video just for you guys to see that she wants to make sure that you succeed with this program. Is she carrying people by the hand? It wouldn't be that, but she's, helping by putting people in the break rooms and stuff like that. Just to show you something. Make sure you guys watch my other previous videos to check that out. And the reason why I say that is because about Michelle O'Neill. You're not going to find too many mentors that's going to basically, walk you from step A to B to make sure, and C and D and to make sure that you can succeed. To make sure you succeed, online with this awesome system. Okay? So, wanted to tell you guys that, let you guys know that these are not physical products, right, that you package up and ship. Everything is digital, means that it goes through email. Okay? Once you sign up, you'll receive a link. You'll get into the Digital Growth community, and you'll get a website of the My Kajabi training. Okay, so just to let you guys know that, and I'm going to show you guys some of the training. Just a review that I'm going through now. Right, I'm going through here. Okay. That, yes, I'm really going through this stuff. This is real. This system is real. It's legit. 100% legit and real. And there's real people within the Digital Growth community. Alright, that's succeeding at killing it online with this product. Okay, so just wanted to let you guys in on a little secret. And as I make videos, you guys will see some of the videos that Michelle is going through the trainings with people, basically helping them succeed online. Basically. She cares, man. She cares. So, okay. This video will do the explaining for you. And it does have testimonials here. People are actually succeeding online with this system. Okay. This is a website that you will also get to. Okay. If you see my prior videos, you will see I'm always mentioning this awesome website. There's testimonials here. Alright. Listen to people's success stories. These are real people. Daryl, Melissa, Nolan. All these people are real, man. And they're in the Digital Growth community. Here is me, Calvina. I'm here twice. That's just to let you guys know that yes, I'm a real person. I'm not here to play games, scam people, or nothing like that. I don't have time to be going to jail, guys. Trust me. I'm not here to try to take advantage of people. That's not who I am. But I'm here to tell y'all that this product is real and it's legit. Okay, real trainings, real live Zoom calls, coaching, and all that good stuff with Michelle O'Neill and Techie Michelle Scherdemeyer. I just wanted to, bring that to the fold. Okay, there's also, I didn't mention that. There's 4 levels. There's a $100 program, $300 program, $600, and $900 program. Once again, this is the Legacy Builders 2.0. I didn't mention that, so I just wanted to mention that again. Again, this is not anything physical. Everything is digital. But you will get it basically. You get a link through email. Okay? There is no packing, shipping, nothing like that. Nothing like this is, anything physical. Okay? So, just scrolling through the website, letting you guys see everybody's people's testimonials, real people. Okay? You get resell rights for this, 100% resale rights. This is your business. This is your investment. Nobody else's. 100% commissions, done for you system, fully automated. You get training, you get coaching, live training, live coaching. Alright, like I said before, if you can't make it or whatever the case is, the live training and live coaching will be available in the recordings and replays. Okay? So, just wanted to touch bases with you guys about this awesome program, the Legacy Builders program. Okay, my name is Calvina. Again, I'm signing off. You guys have a wonderful and successful day, and I'm hoping to see you guys on the inside. If you have any questions or concerns, my name again is Calvina. My email address is cgreen202000 at yahoo.com. I have a business email, which is Calvina at evergreeninfinity.info. Okay? So if you have any questions or anything like that, reach out to me. I want to help. I'm here to help to get you guys plugged into the Legacy Builders program, to this awesome program. If you're looking to supplement your income, you work from a 9 to 5, you work from a home mom, work from a home dad, you're looking to earn extra income, check out this program, guys. Check out this program. Okay? I'm trying to make sure if there's anything else. Alright? Listen. My name is Calvina again. I'm signing off. You guys have a wonderful and successful day. Enjoy it.